how to connect Google Drive with Notion. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Notion first. Okay, so first step is that you need to log in with your Gmail account, so that that Gmail account which to which Google Drive you want to connect. Okay, so just log in with the Gmail account, and now go to the Notions. I have already opened the Notion here. Okay, so here I'm on my home page. So here you can see the option called setting and members. Just click on it, and now we need to go in bottom and click on these connection options, and here you can see the Google Drive. Okay, but in my case it is not connected yet. So what we need to do, we need to go in browse connection in gallery. Okay, so the new tab will be open, and here you can see the all the integrations app. Like, so here you can need to search Google Drive. Just click on it, and now just click on add to here. So this will open another new window, and here you can see the Google Drive. Okay, if you don't see here Google Drive, just click on see all and just find that Google Drive option. Now we need to click on connect, and here you can see that email ID which is login. So select your email ID, Google Drive email ID, and click on it. So now just give the required permission. So now you can see in my connection, my Google Drive connected. So you can see your email ID here. Okay, if you want to disconnect, just come here in my connection, go here and delete account, so it will be disconnect. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.